Greetings, everyone. Okay, so every now and then we'll get a question that'll come up where people plateau in their practice. They have these really nice results building the ball, they feel energy, they have this rapture of, oh wow, this is incredible, I've broken through, this is what I've been looking for. And most people get that relatively early in energy work. And they get to a place where they've leveled out. They just can't get any further. And this is a very, very, very common problem, that where the growth rate moves very fast forward, a person becomes accustomed to the sensations of the energy. They equalize with those sensations. And after they've equalized with those sensations, there's I feel flat. And the energy hasn't receded, you're just used to it. So you can do two things at this point. You can increase the amount of energy, or you can increase the amount of sensitivity to the energy. And to increase the sensitivity is basically a matter of softening the mental matrix so the spirit senses are more active. And we have two ways of doing this. Working with our relationship to time, to release time. So we do the 4-cycle breath and tuning the breath exercises. And then after you've gone through the release time, release space exercises. Now the release space exercises are the fast track to sensitivity. Releasing time is a fast track to power. So when you start to release time and slow energy down, when you're doing Qigong, it moves from a vital to an astral state, or a Qi state, it condenses and people feel powerful. When they release space and let the mind occupy a larger space, which is far greater than their body, then they feel much more, how would we put it, much more sensitive to the environment, much more expanded. The spirit senses are much more tuned in. And one's experiences are much more wow, that intensity comes back again. So start off with going through how to increase the sensitivity. And I've given dozens of methods on increasing power in the intrinsic energies and that's for Qigong courses on Vimeo. There's a lot of different methods there, so have a look at them. Vimeo is most probably closed by the time you watch this video, but I should have Taylora up and running by that time. Okay, so I hope that helps if people are plateauing. There's a lot of strategies for dealing with this, and we'll look at more and more strategies as we go. Okay, thanks for your time.